I don't bring una latest update from Sunday Igboho. For now, we no know I'm a Yoruba human rights activist. No nonsense man. My people, now this one we dey call say lion battery don't die. In fact, this man right now, he don't make up his mind and he don't wash in hand off anything we concern fighting for Yorubas, I be fighting for Nigerians. And according to him, he say he don't do in part. So him hands they up right now, and they lead again, they fight again. You understand? Because in accounts they don't freeze them, and that one self even cause wahala before they even unfreeze them. You understand? And again, he don't go through many wahala all in the name of this activist thing. So, and he can't talk again. Say right now they very disappointed in all the leaders. You understand? All those leaders where in do good thing for, in fight for, because the reason why in they fight all this fight now because of headsmen. And all those Yoruba leaders where they know themselves, in saying they very disappointed. But you no go blame am. We no fit blame this man because see, my people, dey easy. Fight for 1,000 people. 91 person wan go fight. Haba, una sef make una get conscience small. This person don as e be now, he don realize say Oyo na him own. He dey alone. So he no fit continue this fight. E no dey possible. Except if you be one heartless human being where you go just come outside when they talk plenty. See, if this man continue this thing, now go just hear say latest news, Sunday Igboho don't enter prison, or Sunday Igboho we supposed to prepare burial. He will either die or enter prison straight. And as it be now, all those Yoruba leaders, they've refused to take action. All of them just sit down like plantain wey don rotten, wey no get strength again. All of them just sit down for chair Igbo. See, you people, you see, una just dey sit down, una no dey think some kind things sometimes. Person wey just dey on your own, decide to come fight fight for una. Now una just sit down and leave am. I wish I feel get person wey go come fight. You don't understand. Una no sabi appreciate people, all these Yoruba leaders. Una no sabi, if una sabi appreciate person, this man now, una for put am on a platter of gold. Because it dey very difficult for you to find people wey go come do this kind thing for una. Una expect am to lead fight with headsmen, only him. Shame on all these Yoruba leaders, all of una, shame on you. They don't buy una finish. How much how much una sell for? Corruption even enter join. All of una just dey sit down, they watch. Yoruba, see, they persecute Yorubas and una sit down there. Una sit down instead of make una join hands, join force with this Sunday man. Make all these things finish. Una sit down there, una say na there una wan die. Now they begin to understand many things. When Sunday talk before say Ooni of Ife, when he tell us say right now he dey sponsored by corrupt politicians. All of una wan swallow am. Everybody they bring your own thing. Una so na pressure this man so they go apologize. Ngwanu nah. See for una we no know, they get meeting last month. This king of Yoruba and Buhari, they get serious meet. I better put the picture, maybe they see what they talk about. See them. Last month, I know they talk of last year, last 2 years, last month. Meaning say the meeting they fresh. Una know what they discuss? No. Una know what they plan? No. But Sunday talk something. See, what with that way they talk? What a child, what an old man sees when sitting down, a child cannot see it even when he climbs the Aproko tree. This man don't already see this thing. Una condemn him, una insult him. He can't humble himself. He go apologize. Nah, no, una go agree with me now after una don't see this picture now. No wonder Sunday even thought say this man a Fulani slave. What did they discuss with Buhari when your people dey under attack? When at this time, say you supposed stand as a king. Some people don't know reason why they did some kind of positions. Some people don't know. Na just mistake. See, una just appear there by mistake. I wish say everybody know the reason why they dey where they dey today. This world, make I no even use Nigeria because na everywhere. This world for become better place. So right now, Sunday Igboho don wash him hand off this battle. For una wey no know, na why I bring this update. He don wash him hand. So make una stop dey call am. Stop dey get hope on Sunday because he cannot fight this fight alone. So biko no support. See, oh, I just dey pity all of una wey una just dey follow multitude. Una dey follow crowd. When una reach down there, una go discover say una just waste una time. Imagine upon all the Yoruba influencers wey we get, both in politics, so both outside politics, so everybody just fold hand. Una leave this guy, no support, nothing. No, make I ask una something. If na you go continue. You no go continue. Nobody see. Hey, thank God say to my even talker. This life I can't keep myself. Oh. I can't keep myself. Oh. I just should say something. See, now in statement right now, he cannot die. Why should he die? When after he died, nobody will even remember him. Everybody will just the east. I beg you, my brother, because I support this decision when you don't take. You understand? No kill yourself for anybody. They are not worth it. They are not worth it. You understand? It is very, very important. My people. So I don't bring in at this matter. Any matter where you want add concerning this one, drop it for the comment section. It is very, very important. Share this video, subscribe so that you don't go miss anything when we drop. Stay tuned for our next story. Defend Lagos na the new trending matter wey dey happen now. Everywhere you go, defend Lagos, defend Lagos. My people, this matter now start when I just say many of una dey aware of Occupy Lekki toll gate. After these people bring their own hashtag, say now wetin they go do because they don't plan am, and this Occupy Lekki toll gate can't start because of the reopening of Lekki toll gate. Where they say they want open the Lekki toll gate, and now people dey against that thing. Now why they bring up Occupy Lekki toll gate? My people, some people now as they talk to now, they get 5 heads. They say they know they agree with this matter. They don't want justice. They don't want any investigation make it take place. Like, you don't understand. They totally against this Occupy Lekki toll gate matter. Now they don't come outside, don't give themselves another hashtag against these people. And this one, they are now defend Lagos. I don't know where to enter these people head. Oh. I don't even know where to bring this defend Lagos, defend Lagos. My people, the matter they very serious. Because now, this one no be say Nigeria citizens they fight or they against politicians or Buhari government. This one now, youth against youth. Hi! No be smart. My people now war. This one now war. I don't know what you now they see, but me I they see war. Because this thing no go even bring any positive result. I know myself and I know this country, it no go bring any positive result. Now, una no see they say they jam una heads together. Una don't blind reach that level. See, una no even perceive. Say these people they plan something again. Now why every time Fulani people they laugh una? Now why? Because they no say every time una they jam una. I don't tire. Why una no fit just see? Oh, I wish say una fit just understand. Say some people they plan for this thing to happen. All of una way they defend Lagos. Make una continue. Make una, I'm not even dey surprised. Say all this defend Lagos matter wey they hear, Tinubu dey behind now. I'm not go dey surprised because that man, nothing with this man no fit do. Nothing with this man no fit do. For una to see say these people no mean well. For una to see, first of all, try remember how many blood they shed for that place. Try remember. Now nobody want here say they close that place. Why una life be like this? Why? Una know the pity for people. Okay, what of those people where their family members don't die? See, we need justice. So all these defend Lagos, what they do, I beg, see, make una sit down and think well. I no wan know how much they pay una, because definitely I know say money dey involve. They don't give una small change now, dey una pocket. Now una don dey remote una. Any button wey dey press una go dey operate. Any button wey dey press una go dey operate. Now so money don't make people to set their conscience. Una no even know una stand again. Now why e good to go school? E good to go school because now as e be now, e dey very obvious say na only shallow minded people no go want justice for this matter. If you go school, you go know say this thing wey dey happen now dey wrong. But no, money dey talk. Money dey talk, so the mouth no fit talk again. Make una better rise up. And as for Occupy Lekki toll gate, make una no stop. You understand? We must fight for what is rightfully ours. We know they open that place. So if they like, may they raise billions of people, we go still stand by our right. Una no know say politicians now they very happy. Hey! If only una know. Say they celebrate now, they jubilate. You don't know why. Because now their plan don't they work. You understand? Now the thing where they wait for since, where one group of youths or one set of youths go there against another set of youths. Because before, remember, now them we they fight. All of us they gather together, we they fight them. Now youth against youth. Now what did they want? Now what did they want? Why una no fit open? See, I dey beg una, open una eyes. Who be the looters? Una don't forget who we dey fight now. Una don't forget them. See, una don't allow una selves now. They don't use una for their dirty works. Because now things where them themselves they no fit do. They no fit do them. Politicians on their own, they no fit come say by force they go open that place. If you youth stand against them, they no fit. Now why now they don't separate some people, and unfortunately una come fall inside those set of people now where they use. It's a pity. It's a pity that now Nigerians are now blind. Some people now they tell me say, Sanwo-Olu they do good job. If they do this one, some people now they praise them. Me, I don't want side anybody until I see with my own eyes say this man don't they work. Because as it is now, the people are not fit trust anybody. Anything will happen at any time. Tomorrow now we go here say in the part of those people defend Lagos. Wait till now we can't talk. Now we no fit trust anybody. You understand? I beg all the leaders of defend Lagos. I want to ask you a question. All of una we gather defend Lagos, una even get head. You understand? I beg. Una don't ever come outside. Whenever una hear say police harass person, police beat person, police take money from person, una don't ever come outside say una they can't fight. No. Many of una say we don't even know say una exist. Now we they see some people now even they see them now they hear their name for the first time. For una to see say they don't give these people money, they no go come outside talk when things don't they happen. See, make una think this thing 2 times. Now why I come outside here? You understand? Think am 2 times. Because tomorrow now una go come to say, hey, if I know for do this one, I know. Politicians, we all of us supposed to use force together, fight them, fight for our rights. Now don't. I just they pray for una. I they pray for una. Say those una eyes, God go open now. God go open am wide so that una go be able to see the truth where they talk about. Because now money don't blind una eye, but we still there here, and we know they stop. You understand? No to opening of Lekki toll gate. A very big no. So if you there with me, if you they join us, I bet make we join hands together. Nobody is left out. You understand? Last, we all know say now God they win every time, and God knows say we they fight for our rights. Justice must prevail.